I kind of got laid off my job from the tow truck company. So now I just decided to go here. I did 5 random jobs that you can do, and then the first one was the school bus one. For some reason, so yeah, let me go get her. I got hired, guys! I got hired! Woo! Alright. So you said that like I'm gonna have to go to the high school 3 to pick up kids. But before that, he wants me to go around and train a bit. And he said my bus number was like over here, so I'm gonna need to find it real quick. Alright, I think this is my bus. Yeah, this is 644. Oh my gosh, this bus looks so old! Oh my gosh. Well, they did say that new employees get the oldest buses. This seems like an early 1990s bus. Dang. Alright, let me go get inside here. He said that the trainee person would sit here, so yeah. Ding, ding, ding. Hello? Sorry, but your trainee is not gonna come, so I'm just gonna be your trainee on the phone. Okay. Should I be coming FaceTime? Yeah. Okay. Hello. All right. Set the phone on the over here. All right. Set the phone there. All right. Good. Now you can drive the bus. All right. Don't mind that person next to you. Why does he have a so brand new bus? He's super experienced, so we give him the best bus possible. Oh man. Wow, that bus looks brand new. Alright, let me drive my bus. Yeah, it's gonna take a little bit to get used to. At least I drove some big vehicles before in a tow truck company, so I think it won't be that hard. Yeah, you have experience a little bit. It's technically the same thing, but it's way longer. Alright, let's go. Alright, what you're supposed to do is go to the bus settings. Then press the extra controls. Then do fog light, interior light, and then master. But wait, that's only after you do the light test. You have to do this. If it does not work, then press every single light in the bus. Perfect. Now go out and check every single light. You're going to have to do it again to turn on the reds. You have to make sure that every single light is on. Good. Now go on and turn on the red lights. The stop sign lights. Perfect, and now open the door too. Alright, great. You can see if the red lights are not flashing, instantly drive the truck to the shop. Or school bus, whatever. They're typically the same thing. Great, all the lights are working. Now you can turn off all the lights and start up the bus. Oh yeah, go to the extra controls and do the fog light, interior lights, and then master. Alright, good job. Pull the parking brake. Good. Press on the brake and start the engine. You have to wait a little bit for it to fully work. When it says accessory, press the start button. Alright. Shift it into gear. feeling you're going to do very bad. If you pass, which is highly unlikely, you'll be able to do it. Alright? Oh wow, you're doing pretty good! And you have to use blinkers at every single turn. Well, we already know that you're experienced driving tow trucks, so you can do a good job. Yeah, you're supposed to only drive around this area. Oh, wow, the school bus is pretty easy to drive. I know. Probably because you drive. Good job. I think you're actually pretty fast. Good job. When will I be putting her around? Tomorrow. You're gonna be replacing a driver that did some bad stuff to the kids. What did he do? He literally was rude to every single kid. Extremely rude. He forced them to come out and stuff, so we fired him. Yeah, just park the bus. Good. There's so many buses. Yeah, because we have a massive bus. Yeah, just park it next to that one. Alright, you succeeded. So good job. Goodbye. Alright, I think I did pretty good. My boss thinks I do an excellent job. So I think I'm probably gonna be able to do something tomorrow. I'm so excited to earn my money back. Alright. Yeah, it was pretty good. Alright. This is part 1, everyone. Hope you enjoyed it. This is the $0 broke due to a massive empire. See you later.